Let's recreate this randomly generated patch in Syntorial. I have not heard this before. Let's give it a shot. Okay, so I hear multiple things happening at once. The first is, let's just put that amp fade in. Right? Okay, now I hear phaser. Big time. Pretty strong. Okay. Reverb. Long. Let's keep it there for now. Now that tone. I think that's ring mod. It's metallic, but it's not that like clean FM metallic. It's more. So we're gonna go enable ring mod. Oh, that's higher pitch. Let's do. Oh wait, is it? No. Oh. There we go. Then it's thinner. So like I'm thinking like a bandpass filter. Yeah, I think that's it, but now it's too quiet. Alright, now one thing I noticed when I was playing is if I play in a legato fashion, it continues to fade down through the amp envelope, so let's put on legato. Is that fading too fast? Alright, I think the reverb's too wet. Let's make it bigger. God, there's some difference in sound. Oh. A little bit of a amp release. No? No? Oh, here's a question. Is there key tracking? I don't think so. Alright, let's go for it. Oh! I forgot to check mod wheel. Ah, I hear that. Ah, gotta check mod wheel, Joe. Come on. Still pretty good.